Hey, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. I'm Deanna. Today we are going to be doing the BH Cosmetics Garnet January Eyeshadow Palette. I am so excited. I ordered this in like December and it came at like the end of January, so that kind of sucked. But other than that, I'm obsessed with this look, and yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I did it. Hope you guys enjoy. Keep on watching. So this is the BH Cosmetics Garnet January 7 eyeshadow palette, and this is what this does look like. This is so stunning. And we're gonna go ahead and swatch all of these, and then we're gonna go ahead and try it out. So I went ahead and already primed my eyes with my MAC 24-hour Prep and Prime, and we're gonna do a quick little look with this today. I am just stunned by how these came out. These have a really nice buttery texture, and this glitter, I wasn't sure what, I didn't even think it was going to be a glitter. I thought it was going to be more of like a metallic, like a pressed powder with glitter in it, and not just a full-on glitter. So it's black glitter and little like silver glitters as well. Really interesting. It was not what I expected, which I like. So we're gonna go ahead and try and make a look out of this, or use some of this and just make a quick look. And yeah, so let's get to it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take Sensitive right here and go ahead and put this on my brow bone and on the outside of my eye a little bit, and repeat on the same other side. Okay, so next we're gonna go into Loyal, which is absolutely true. And I'm gonna take this into my crease. And I'm more or less just focusing it on the top half of my crease. I'm not really trying to drag it too far out and not too far in, more in the middle. And now I'm just doing big swirls to help kind of diffuse the color and kind of blend it out already. And I'm just gonna kind of really buff this out on this corner, just to really kind of blend it out. And the same thing here. So you can see how I gave my eye a little bit more of depth into it, which I want to give that kind of more of a look. So we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. So now I'm just doing swirls again to diffuse the color. I'm just gonna add just a little bit more into this crease to give it a little bit more depth, because I feel like this one wasn't as dark as this eye. Alright, I'm gonna do the same thing kind of over here, and I'm just adding a little bit more on this eye so that it looks a little bit more like the other eye. Alrighty, I'm gonna take a little bit of Sensitive and just put it on the outsides here, on both sides, to help kind of blend those two together. And then I'm just gonna do a light little swirl back up through the brow bones, and that helps it blend a little bit more as well. Okay, cute. So next I'm gonna take this kind of like fluffy brush and go into Go Getter, which is the matte red, and I'm just gonna kind of tap this on my lid and dust it around. Alright, so I'm gonna take this like packing brush by BH Cosmetics actually, and pack this on my lid a little bit more. And then I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. That's popping. And then I'm just gonna take the brush that I used for the crease color, and I'm just gonna lightly go on the edge here between the two, just to kind of soften it up. It's like as bright as my hair. That's so cool. And I only used my primer and pressed it in, so that's awesome. We're gonna go and put the shimmer just a little bit on the middle of my lid. Probably it's gonna go on better with my finger. So my finger is chubby. And I said a little bit, and my finger does a lot. Now this would probably be more reflective with like glitter glue on it, but it's still pretty. It has like a nice shimmer to it. I'm just gonna add a little bit of glitter glue, just a little bit. So I have a little concealer brush NYX glitter glue, and I just took like a teeny tiny little bit. Put this both on the middle of the eye. And then I'm just gonna take the same brush and dip into the Garnet shade here and put that on, and boom. Now we're talking bright. Alright, so next we're gonna use Productive AF for my inner corner. And I'm just gonna take a little bit more of the NYX glitter glue and put that in both my inner corner. And then I'm gonna take the Productive AF. I'm gonna take this like really big fluffy brush and just kind of blend out that inner corner. Then I'm just gonna take a little bit of Productive AF and just highlight my brow bone just ever so lightly. And then, because I want to take it there, we're gonna take a little bit of the Street Smart, which is the glitter, and I think I want to make like a wing out of it. That's what I want to do. And then we're just gonna kind of tab this along my lash line. And I probably should have used glitter glue for this, but I'm not mad at how it looks for not having any glitter glue. Back into Loyal and do my lower lash line. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of Sensitive just to dust under my eye a little bit. And then kind of buff it in as well, just to kind of blend it in with the lower lash line with the Loyal color. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face off camera, and I'll be right back and we can talk about the look. Alrighty, I am back and this is the completed look. I'll let you guys get a closer look. I'm obsessed with this look. I love it so much. I love that I went ahead and did the glitter wing. I think it's super cute and just something a little different, and I think I'm gonna wear this look all the time now. I'm not even gonna lie, it's so cute. I think it works really good with my hair. And yeah, I'm obsessed. This palette was so awesome, and even the matte red performed so well. And I feel like matte reds are sometimes really challenging to work because I know they're a really hard pigment to make. Absolutely love this palette. I think it's a $9 palette. I've already gone ahead and bought February's. January's came really late, so literally January's came at like the end of January. That kind of sucked, but I already ordered February, so I'm hoping it'll come before the end of February so that I can get that one filmed in for you guys as well, and that one will be Amethyst. So like and give this video a thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.